Hi YouTube, this is my Hoover Junior model 1346 that I traded Vacuum Dude 123 for my Kirby Heritage 2, simply because I don't use it or need it, so I traded him this for it. Now this Hoover Junior has been refurbished, so I'm guessing nothing on it is original. The only thing I can tell that's original is the handle grip. So it says Hoover on it, and I'm pretty sure it would have been that colour. Now I think this was the blue model. Now the bag's similar. I'll get this into the light where you can see. The blue model, which had the blue bag, which was similar to this, except it said Hoover on it there. And also this belt cover would have been blue, and it would have said Hoover there. So yeah, the card is grey. I'm not sure what colour it would have been. I think it would have been white. It's got a new bag in it. It's got a bit of dirt in it, but that's because I was using it briefly this morning. Now I think the bags would have been bright yellow. These are genuine Hoover ones, and they're just like the brown colour, typical paper bag colour. It's got quite a bit of dirt in there. Literally, these machines are really good deep cleaners. I'll show you underneath. Sorry about this bad lighting, I have to keep moving so you can see properly. Now the brush roll is in good condition. I don't know if it's new or not, but it's missing a little belt cover thing. Not the belt cover, this thing here that should be metal. I did put a new belt on it, and the brush roll is a bitch to get out. So yeah, the height adjustment thing, that is missing a little knob, so it's difficult to click. There we go. Bit stiff, so yeah. I don't know if the motor in this is genuine or to that original. It sounds not as high pitch as what Juniors should sound like, but the motor's in good condition, and also the body is like a 1334 style body. You see it's got these two lines down here, but it works. Probably eventually I will get a Junior and a Hoover Senior because I really like them. So anyway, I'll just plug it in, give me a second. Okay, so I've got it plugged in, and I've also put some salt down and ground it in, so you can see the beats as it sweeps, as it cleans action, as Hoover calls it. So anyway, here we go. I think the height's set right. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Now it picked some of that, well, all of it, in about 2 passes. You probably heard a little bit of a squeak. I did polish the motor shaft, so that's probably what it was. So yeah, it's an exceptionally good deep cleaner. I think the seniors did clean a little better because of the way the fan and belt was set up, but they do clean very well, especially for their age. I mean, this is supposed to be from 1974. Whenever Vacuum Dude 123 bought this, it's practically brand new. So yeah, hopefully I'm getting the original belt cover and bag for it. So yeah, that's all there is to say on it, really. So I just noticed there's a bit of salt left there. Just a minute, I'll just... Right, sorry about that. It would have bugged me otherwise. So anyway, yeah, there isn't much to say on it. So I guess thank you for watching. And I don't know if I'll do any more videos on this. I might do. So yeah, that's my reconditioned Hoover Jr. Thanks for watching.